some coding will go in that way. Yeah, guys. See, first you'll understand what is the difference between writing the Java program in text editors and IDEs. Because yesterday we discussed about where should I write a Java program. Okay. So where should I write Java program? I told you, you can use text editors. Otherwise, you can use IDEs. As you know that IDE stands for what? Integrated Development Environment. Environment, but don't use the word environment. You have to use the word environment. Nice. Cool. Guys, listen here. So, yeah. Observe here. Sir. It's on. Okay. Record is on. It's going on. Yeah. It's on. It's going on. Observe here. Everyone. So first we'll understand about writing the program in editor and writing the program in IDE. I'll tell you the difference because as of now today, you may written any program in IDE, I don't know. Okay, you may be written the program in IDE or you may not written the program in IDE. As of now, I don't know, but at least differences you can able to identify. Those differences, first I would like to explain between what and what. Writing the program in text editor and writing the program in IDE. Okay. I told all the real-time programs are in a real time. We don't use any text editors for writing the programs. Even in our class also, for the first 2 to 3 programs to know about how to compile and how to run the Java program, we are using text editor like Notepad. But after that, we always work with IDE. I'll show you how to install Eclipse and we'll start initially with all Eclipse. And later on, once you got okay with Eclipse, you got some knowledge or you got some perfection in writing code with Eclipse, then I will introduce one more IDE called IntelliJ. Okay, right? And later on, once you got some perfection with IntelliJ, then we will write the code on VS Code. Mostly VS Code will be used by front-end developers. VS Code IDE is very good for front-end people, those who are learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, or React. Mostly those people will use VS Code. .NET developers will use VS Code. But Java developers will mostly use either Eclipse or IntelliJ. These are the IDEs that the developers are mostly going to use. Okay. But anyhow, I'm not denying that. I'm not denying that we can't write the Java program on VS Code. We can write. Even I will show you that. But most popularly used IDEs for Java application development are Eclipse and IntelliJ. Okay. Some people use Eclipse directly. Some people use Spring flavor of Eclipse, which is called STS, which stands for Spring Tool Suite. Okay. That is a Spring flavor of, that is also Eclipse only, but with added Spring features. Okay. It looks like Eclipse only. The person who knows about how to work with Eclipse, he will also come to know easily about how to work with STS. You got my point, right? It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal, guys. Okay. But first, let me compare text editor and IDE. I'm comparing two things, text editor and IDE. Okay, let us compare. First, today we are comparing the writing the program in text editor and writing the program in IDE. Okay, right. If you recap about whatever the concepts I told yesterday, majorly the word 5 came in our yesterday's session, right? What are those 5? 5 tokens are there and 5 statements are there. In which language? In Java or any language? Any language. What are the 5 keywords? Can you write in chat box online, guys? Please write in chat box what are the 5, sorry, what are the 5 tokens that you know yesterday? Quickly write in chat box. Quickly write in chat box. Yeah, quickly write in chat box, guys, please. Everyone, I'm expecting response of everyone. What are the 5 types of tokens that you learned yesterday? I mean, you know the names. Next, what are the 5 types of statements? Please write both of them in chat box. Quickly you write them in chat box. Everyone, I'm not expecting response from 1, 2, 3, guys. Please try to respond by everyone. Okay. Yeah. Very good, guys. Online, yes, very good. Yeah. As you know, block diagram of computer, right? Yeah. CPU contains how many? 3 parts. What are they? Memory unit, arithmetic and logic unit. That is the reason why every language or any language is going to contain how many types of statements only? 5 types of statements only. Even in Java also. Got my point? We'll go in deeper about them. What are memory statements? What are arithmetic and logic statements? Okay, right? We'll discuss all of them. Input statements and output. But at the very beginning of the programs, we should know output statement. Input statement also we'll discuss next. Okay. But first output statement required. And as you know, it's very common statement that everybody knows that because everybody of us having little bit knowledge in Java. Am I right? System dot out dot println. We call in shortcut SOP statement. What is it? SOP. SOP stands for system dot out dot println. This is going to be the output statement. Okay, input statement is not required today, but what is required today? Output statement is required to write at least some output from our program. I'll explain what is system, what is out, what is println. Lot of story will go on. Okay. Okay. This is actually very, very important. If you know this, if you learn core Java very perfectly, remaining you can learn easily. Some technologies you can learn by yourself, provided if you have strong skills in core Java. Actually, core Java is very, very important. Do you know why the name people given as core, C-O-R-E, core Java? No. Guys in online, do you know why core? Very good, guys. Good response, guys. Everyone has written. Okay. I'm appreciating all of you guys. Very good. Okay. Keep on doing the similar work. Keep on doing the similar work. Okay. What's my question to you guys? What's my question to you? Why the name given as people call core Java, core Java? Do you know what is the meaning of core? Core, C-O-R-E. Actually, core means in our general words, core means heart. Core means heart. Core Java, why the name given? This is the heart of entire Java. This is the heart of entire Java. Am I right or not? If heart is not functioning, we say that that person is died. Am I right or not? That's the reason why in learning Java also, you people must have good, very strong skills in core Java. If you know this well, if heart functions properly, in the body, all the remaining parts also will function very properly, because it is a person who is circulating the blood, right? Similarly, in Java also, this is a main. This is called a heart of Java. So this is very, very important session to all of you. Guys in online, please try to understand my statement. It's very, very important. You might have known about one statement. I will remember you, or I will make you to recollect. You all studied somewhere about operating system. When you're learning about operating systems, you may have heard about a statement called kernel. Kernel, kernel, NEL, sorry, kernel. Have you heard the word kernel? Kernel
Yes.
is the core of kernel is the core of Unix operating system. You might have heard about this statement. Kernel is the core of Unix operating system. Like that, you might have heard. Of course, nowadays we have Linux. Right? Why the name given as core there? It is the heart of that entire operating system. If a kernel is not working properly, then your Linux or Unix operating system cannot maintain multi-users. Kernel is a multi-user operating system. I mean, Linux and Unix. It is a multi-user operating system. Multi-user, multitasking. Some words you know. You'll get all clarity of these words later on. Okay. Similarly, guys in online, I'm asking you, have you heard about a statement called MBC? If you know or if you heard about the statement MBC, please type what is the full form of MBC in the chat box. Yeah, guys, exactly. Thank you. Some of you responded. Yeah. MBC stands for Model View Controller. Nowadays, all the projects, whether it is Java, .NET, Python, or even Salesforce or whatever, all these projects are following this pattern, MBC pattern. All projects will follow MBC pattern only. In that MBC pattern, C stands for what? Controller. That is the core of MBC. Like this, the word core comes in multiple places. Okay, core is nothing but, in our terms, core means heart. So core Java is very, very important. It is heart of entire Java. So you have to learn core Java very, very clearly as well as very perfectly. That's very, very important. Okay, we will try in that way. Okay, we will try in that way and we'll get success definitely. Yeah, guys, coming to the point. We can edit the program in what? Text editor. We can edit the program in what? IDE. In both we can write. Text editor means notepad. Notepad++. These are all text editors. And IDEs means I gave the names like Eclipse, IntelliJ, VS Code and all. They are IDEs. Okay. In text editor, suppose I want to write program. I want to write program. Listen clearly. Okay. In text editor, if I want to write program, I have to type each and every character by myself. Are you getting my point? In text editors, means in Notepad, suppose I want to write a program, I have to type everything. You are getting my point? When I'm typing something, that Notepad will not help me. You are getting my point? It won't help me, right? But what about IDE? When I start typing my Java program in an IDE, when I'm typing, it will give me suggestions. You are getting my point or not? Which is nothing but it is helping me. Means writing a program in Notepad, writing a program in IDE. Same program I want to write in Notepad. Same program I want to write in IDE. Then tell me where I can complete my code faster. In IDE. Suppose I'm writing 100 lines program. In a Notepad, if I start writing 100 lines program, it will take a lot of time. But in IDE, the same 100 lines program I can complete fastly. So writing a program in text editors will take more time. But writing a program in IDE takes less time. This is difference number 1. Tell me the first difference. I'll type immediately. Tell me. Guys, writing a program in what? Text editors. Will take more time or will consume more time. Instead of take, we have to use the word consume. More time. Guys, tell me here. Writing a program in IDEs will consume less time. Will consume less time. Okay. Guys, listen. When I keep, for example, I'm writing my program in editor. When I'm writing some program, while writing the program, we are going to call many methods. We'll understand what is method next. When I keep dot, for example, I'm writing system dot out dot. When I'm keeping dot, IDE doesn't show me a pop-up window. Sorry, editor doesn't show me a pop-up window. Inside that window with all the methods available. In Notepad, it won't show me. But in IDE, yes, it will show me. You are getting my point or not? For example, guys, online guys, try to understand. Yeah, I'll talk about IDE for you later. And also open Notepad. See, guys. Notepad. This is Notepad. This is IDE. I will show you. Yeah, it is opening. It will open now just in 2 seconds. See here. For example, I'm writing system dot out dot. I'm writing now. Then tell me, are you getting any pop-up window? No. No, right? System dot I typed, out dot I typed. But am I getting anything like a pop-up window with all the suggestions? No, right? Okay, good. This is not for you guys. Here I can show you. Yeah. See here, system dot out dot. Here what I'm getting? Some suggestions. These are called, these are pop-up window, right? This is called a pop-up window. Pop-up window, pop-up window. We got a pop-up window. with all the available options, the methods or something is available here. I'm automatically getting when I keep dot symbol. But what about Notepad? What about Notepad? In Notepad, when I type dot, am I getting? Are you getting any window here? No. No pop-up window displayed. This is called IntelliSense feature. What feature? IntelliSense, not intelligence, IntelliSense. This IntelliSense feature does not exist in Notepad text editor, but it exists in IDE. Guys, let me start typing the second. Tell me what the second. Text editors. Text editors doesn't have what feature? IntelliSense feature. Guys, what about IDE? What about IDE? IDEs have what feature? IntelliSense feature, which helps the developers to write the code. It helps the developers in writing code. In writing the code or program, any word. In writing the program. Okay. The third difference. Just 3-4 differences we'll observe. Okay, everybody, you try to understand now. So, for example, if I'm writing my program in Notepad, okay, in Notepad I'm writing program. But when you are working with real time, we also need to integrate our Java program with multiple real-time tools, which means it is bit high level point as of now, but still you can able to at least get something. Have you heard about a name called Maven? Anybody? Maven. Maven. Okay, guys, in online, it's not a problem. Today we are not using it, just I'm talking about it. Maven. People say many tools. They are called Java real-time tools to work with Java real-time projects. But those tools we cannot integrate in text editor, means Notepad. But those tools we can integrate with the project in IDEs. So in the real time, we write only applications in IDEs, but not in editors. Because if I'm writing my program or project in this Notepad or Notepad++, I cannot integrate with the real-time tools. But without real-time tools, we cannot write the programs or projects in the real time. So definitely we have to integrate our project with the tools. Those tools we cannot integrate in Notepad, but we can integrate in IDE. So tell me, in the real time only we are going to use Notepad to write the applications or IDEs for writing the applications? IDEs. Got my point? Right. So those tools will come at later. I just want to close it now. Or the third difference I want to say, and finally we want to conclude now. We cannot integrate our application or program, any word, with the real-time tools in text editors.
Sir, once again, you repeat the third point,
Yeah,
sir.
sure, definitely. Yeah, because the reason, in the real time, again I'm repeating, in the real time, there are many tools we use to develop and test and execute our Java applications. For example, Maven, M-A-V-E-N. For example, I'm taking Maven. Okay, such kind of tools we cannot integrate with our application or program in text editors, but we can do it with IDEs. So that's the reason We prefer to, not prefer, we only use IDEs, okay? We can integrate our program with real-time tools in IDEs. Okay, right? Good. So tell me, in the real time, we work with text editors or we work with IDEs? We work with IDEs only. But as a beginner, as a starting developer, first we are actually going to work with text editor. How many? Just 2-3 programs only, not more than that. Just 2-3 programs only, not more than that. Later, we will start working with IDE. I'll tell you how to install Eclipse, the steps. Okay, from where you need to download, which one you need to download, then followed by the steps to write the project. All the steps will be given. In the middle, some shortcuts will be provided to you. Once you start working with IDE, slowly we'll learn some shortcuts. Okay, right? The shortcuts will help you to quickly complete your code. Got my point, right? Right. So now, as I said yesterday, we will write some 1 or 2 simple Java programs today. Okay, first program I'm going to write. But what I will do today, I will give a, after writing the program, I will give a diagram. In the diagram, I will just explain what is happening. When you write the program and when you compile the program and when you execute the program, what is going to happen, I will give in the form of a diagram. Got my point, right? So, but first what we want to write now? One simple Java program we want to write. Simple Java program only. Okay, it's not a big deal. Simple Java program only. Got my point, right? Okay. What is the extension that I need to keep for my Java program? .java. Java program will have extension as .java. Files have extensions now. Right. Suppose you prepared resume. Suppose you have prepared a resume. Okay. Where are you preparing your resume? Your resume you are preparing now. Right. Have you prepared resume already? Suppose I want to prepare a resume. Guys in online, okay. I want to prepare a resume. My question is now, have you prepared any resume so far? Your resume? Okay. If yes, okay, right? Then tell me, when you save your resume, first of all, where are you preparing your resume? In MS Word. MS Word, na? When you save your resume will be stored in a file, na? That file has extension .docx. .docx, right? .doc. Or some people are nowadays preparing resume in PDF. .pdf. Tell me .doc, .pdf, .txt. What are all these? Extensions for different files or different file formats. Similarly, what should be the extension for a Java program or Java file? .java. Guys, online guys, are you getting my point? Say yes or no. Guys in online, please try to understand me and tell me, are you getting my point or not?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Good. Nice. Nice. Okay. Listen everyone. So every Java program will have extension as what? .java. .java. After writing the program, what is the next step we have to do? After writing the program, what's the next step you have to do?
You have to save the program.
Okay, after saving only you are getting extensions .java, right? Means program is written, Java file is ready. What is the next step? Compile. Compile. Okay. Which tool or which application, any word I can say, which application or which tool will be used for compiling the program? Java C. What is that? Java C. When you type Java C is a tool, or Java C also can be called as an application which is installed with your JDK. Installed with your JDK. You people already installed JDK, right? Guys in online, have you installed JDK in your machine?
Yes.
JDK have you installed or not?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. So can you write what is the default location of JDK? Can
Bin
you write
folder.
in chat box what is the default location of JDK? Please write in chat box. Cool, guys.
I have not
Good.
understood.
Yeah, I'm saying, see here, whenever you installed Java software in your machine, this is the location where it is by default installed. Where it is installed? C drive, open program files, open the folder called what? Java. Then you can see JDK. Which version of Java software that I have installed? JDK 11. Okay, or JDK 17 also you can download and install. For me, 11 is enough. As I said already in the beginning first session, I think, right? Even though Java released like 21, 22, but as of now in the industry, we use Java 8, some projects as Java 11. Okay. Sorry. So my recommendation is you no need of installing Java 17, Java 22. This is March, right? In this month also, new version of Java will be released. Okay. Get my point? And again in the September, one more new. It's a 6-month cycle. 6 months. March to September. Again from September to March. Every 6 months, a new version will be released. I'll show you. Sir, where can I find information about all these versions? Okay, you can happily find all these versions in Wikipedia. In Wikipedia, you can find all these versions easily. Just to go to Google and type. Everyone. Guys, observe it. Understand it, everyone. Online guys, please try to understand me. Let me open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, I want to search for list of Java versions. Java version history. Open in Wikipedia website. Go down. You can see here. Guys, Java version started with initially JDK 1.1. That's the reason I'm asking you. 0 in a version, 0 cannot be called a 0. it should be called as O. It's 0 only. But what we should say? O. Okay, JDK 1.0. Don't use a point word also. It's not point, it's dot. Pronunciation. JDK 1.0 is the first version. Then 1.1, 1.2, 1. Something. From here, it's became more and more popular. What is that? J2SE 5. And then it is renamed to Java SE. You can see. From J2SE version name changed to what? Java SE. 6, 7, 8. Okay, 9, 10, 11. You see 8, 11 are in different colors. Observe it. 17 is also in different color, na? Right. So these 8, 11, 17, which are in different colors, are used in the market. Okay. So mostly which versions of Java will be used in the real-time projects? 8, 11. Any one of the two. Most popular one is 8. Okay. Some people may use 11 also. But currently we can see here. What is a Java SE next upcoming? Version 22. When? 19th March. Today is 1st March, na? In next 18 days, new version will come. You see, September, March, March, September, March, September. Means for every 6 months. You see the version here. 22nd March. What is released? 18. 28th September. 19. 20. 21. Currently, 22. They kept one cycle like that. In 6 months, nothing is going to happen. Some additional features may be included. But they won't release versions like this. That's their cycle. Got my point? Or the upcoming Java version? 22. Currently 21. After 19, 18 days, we'll be getting next version called 22. But are you going to learn 22, 21? What are the new features available like that? No, not required. Who use them? Nobody. Which versions of Java will be used in real time? Actually, 3 versions. What are the 3? 8, 11, 17. 17 for Spring Boot people. Spring Boot 3 is a new version of Spring Boot. Their Java 17 is must. But which project is on Spring Boot 3? Spring Boot 3 released around 6 to 7 months back or 1 year back. But what about the projects? These projects started 10 years back. This project started 10 years back. 10 years back, 8 years back, 15 years back, they started. So they don't use Spring Boot 3, Java 17. If they start using them, what will happen? All the previous code must be migrated. It will take lot of time. Lot of errors may come. That's the reason why once a project is started, its a version, it's a database. Both are mostly fixed. Okay, right? So which versions I recommend you? 8 or 11 you install. Any one of the two. Suppose, okay, you know it already, but still it's better if I give. Guys, here I'm writing step also. I know that you already know about how to install. How to install. Now today there is no use of path setting and all, not required. Just install and leave it. It will automatically set the path. Okay. Observe here. Which version of JDK I want to install? JDK 11. Download. Type in Google JDK 11 download. Go to Oracle website. Oracle website. Now you are getting Java SE 11 archive downloads. You are getting now? Yes. Read it as archive. not archive. It is called archive. Okay, archive environment, not dot, sorry, not point dot, not 0 o, 1.o, 2.o. Versions are represented with the old o, not 0. Okay, right. Observe here. Go down. Java SE 11 development kit, blah blah blah. Download is there na? Yes. Go down. Everybody go down. Here you have Windows x64 installer is there na? Download this. When you click this, accept it, download. When you click on this download, actually what it will do is, it will open another page. See this. Asking for what? Asking for your username and password. But you don't have any username and password. Say, you have a button here. Create account. With your Gmail ID, you can create account. Once your account is created, you will get a username and password. Na? Come back to this page, type the username and type the password. Then what will happen? JDK 11 installer exe file will be downloaded. You can see this is how it is downloaded, guys. Online guys, I think you are getting my point. I'm showing you how to do that, right? You can see. Is it downloaded now? Yes. One file is downloaded. What you will do? Double click on this file. Follow the steps to next, finish. Because I have already installed, I'm not installing it again, but I'm showing you. Right, okay. Do you want me to write the steps for this, or you know it already? Installing Java, do you know that, or do you want me to write the steps?
You can write the steps in
Okay,
future.
sure. See, it is saying that what the software has already been installed, but for you, you won't get like this. For you, you will get next button, finish button. Got my point? Yes, sure, I will do that. Even I will give you that URL as well. Directly. Better. Yeah. Number 1, visit this URL. Number 2, see here. After visiting this URL, okay, I told you, see, understand clearly. Okay, in this 11 dot something version, 11.0.21 something, where you need to go? Windows x64 installer. Then there is a exe file. You have to download this file. Okay. So what I will do is go to Windows underscore x64 installer. Am I right or not? Installer. Download the what file? Exe file. But when you click on that, what is open? When you click on that, what is open? Sign in page is open now? Yeah. Oracle's sign in page will open. Is opened. If you don't have an account, create account first. Okay. So after creating account, enter the username and password. Okay. 4th step is that file is downloaded na? Which file is downloaded? JDK 11 something is downloaded na? Okay, JDK 11. The file name is very big. JDK 11 dot something underscore Windows something underscore bin Something is, I'm writing like this now. JDK11 underscore Windows x64 underscore bin something. It's a exe file. File is downloaded. Guys, do you know what to do after this? After this, double click on the file and follow the next steps. Okay, just double click. I accept. Next, I agree. Next, finish. Just 2-3 times next, then finish. Okay, tell me what the default location. Note. Tell me, Java software will be installed at.
C
Tell me where's
drive.
the location. C drive.
Program files.
Program files.
Java folder.
Java folder. Then
Git.
JDK11. Got the clarity now? Right. Just this is what you need to do. No need of doing any other settings. Nowadays, no settings are required. Just install the software, start working. In other previous versions, we need to do the settings and all path setting. Something is required, but currently no path setting required. Directly we can work. You got clarity now? Right. Once it is installed, how do you cross verify it is really installed properly or not? Go to command prompt. Go to, I will increase the font size in command prompt, guys. Just a minute. Yeah. Tell me, go to command prompt. What to say? Java
C
space double hyphen version. Tell me which version of Java is installed. Java 11.0.21. Something is installed now? Yes. So how can you cross verify whether it's installed or not? Java space double hyphen version. Space is important. Suppose Java double hyphen version. You are getting error. You are getting error. What should I type here? Java space double hyphen version. Double hyphen. Single hyphen also okay. Double hyphen is okay. Single hyphen is okay. Java space version. Right? Java space hyphen version. Also okay. Or double hyphen is also okay. Okay? Right. Can you tell me, guys? Okay, how to, under the note only I'm writing, okay? Tell me how to verify Java in my machine. How to verify Java in my machine? Yeah, give me 1 minute. It's a call that I need to attend. I'll come back. Give me 1 minute, guys. I'll continue. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, in my machine, how to verify, guys, whether Java is installed or not? What's the statement? First open CMD or command prompt. Okay, open command prompt. What's the command to type? Java space hyphen or double hyphen, any, then version. It'll tell you which version of Java is there in your machine. Okay, now right, let's start. Okay, first observe here. As I said already, we want to write a very small program like hello world only, not writing any big program today. Simple Java program, first program we'll write now. But after the program, I'll give a diagram and I'll also explain something about the diagram. That is very important. Okay, right. So today what we are writing is simply we are writing hello world program or first program, writing a hello world or first program, writing a first program. So first open notepad. I would like to open notepad first. Okay, I want to open notepad. I'll open a new notepad file. Here I have open notepad. Okay, right. No, open notepad. Then I should start writing my program now. Right, my program is here. I told already yesterday and even before that also, to write every Java program, at least how many classes required? Yesterday I told you now. What is the first statement in writing the Java program actually? Package statement. So today we don't know about package, leave it. Next statement. Import statements. How many package statements we can write?
1.
Minimum 0. Maximum 1. Yesterday only we typed this point, right? Minimum 0, maximum 1. Next, tell me. Import statements. Yeah, tell me. Minimum 0. Maximum n number. How many classes? Minimum 1. Maximum n number. Means minimum 1 class is required, na? Yes. Guys in online, I think you got this point right already. Yesterday we discussed about this. Cool. Cool, guys. Okay, class. What is class, you know? Class is a keyword. Is a token. Token, na? Token is nothing but, in English it is word. But in programming it is token. Token is nothing but word. Token is nothing but word. Class. Followed by class name. I told variable name. The names given to variables, methods, classes, packages, interfaces are called dash. Are called dash. Are called what? Identifiers. What are they? Identifiers. Okay. Are called what, guys? Identifiers. You got my point? All right. For example, class hello world. Tell me this hello world is what? Identifier. Identifier rules, do you know? I told yesterday the rules to create identifiers. What's the rule number 1? Identifier can contain alphabets, digits, underscore, dollar. Don't use keyword as identifier. It can start with alphabet, underscore, dollar, but should not be digit. Don't use digit. Tell me. Hello space world. Guys in online, you can unmute yourself and tell me. You can unmute yourself and tell me, is it a valid identifier or not? Hello space world.
Invalid.
Everyone.
Invalid.
Everyone.
Invalid.
Invalid. Why?
Space.
Why, guys? There is a space. There is a space. White space is allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. If you give white space, it becomes 2 identifiers. 2 words. Right? Okay. Hello dollar word. Valid or not? Yes. Hello @ world.
No.
No. Because identifier can contain Identifier can contain what, boss?
Underscore
Letters,
dollar.
digits, underscore, and dollar. But you should not write exclamation, @ hash, slash like that. They're not alone, no? Cool. Hello underscore world. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Underscore is valid. Dollar is valid. Is everybody getting my point? Online people, you are getting my point? Yes? Right. So I want to use hello world. Okay. And do you know, every Java program execution will start from main method. Which method? Main method. What is the syntax of writing the main method in Java is public static void main. I'll explain what is public, what is static. These are all the concepts that you are going to learn in OOPS. Public, private, protected, static, abstract, all these words you are going to get in OOPS concepts. As of now, we should write, because at least to write the program, we need main method. The syntax of main method: public space static space void space main, S capital string array symbol, that is okay, that is called array symbol, square brackets. Mathematics we call square brackets now. In a matrices you learned about square bracket, right? All right. Okay,
Sir, what
square
is the
bracket.
public stat?
That is what you are going to learn. Please don't ask me now, because to write at least the program and execute, we are writing this. If I want to explain what is public, what is static, what is void, and all these things, what are these arguments and all, it will take some time. These are all OOPS concepts. As of now, to write a program, you should write main method like this. Later on, you will find. Okay, later on, we will come to this steps, these words. Okay, these tokens, right? Output statement in Java is system dot S capital system. Java is case sensitive. Java is case. HTML is, guys, online guys, you can respond quickly, immediately. Everybody keep in unmute and tell immediately answer.
Case sensitive.
Case HTML.
Sensitive.
Case insensitive.
Hmm.
SQL.
Case
Case
sensitive.
insensitive, but Java
Case
sensitive.
sensitive.
S capital system. S capital in system. Dot out dot. Println. Hello world. You may have a doubt. Sir, you are giving space there. Exclamations there. You told me yesterday, don't use space, don't use exclamation, don't use @. But you are writing now. How come it be fair, sir?
It's a print statement.
Guys, this is not identifier. This is a message. We kept in double quotes. It's a string. It is a, this is not identifier. It, whatever I want, I can write inside the string. Able to follow me, right? Everybody getting my point? Is this identifier or is it a message? Message means it's a string. You have to follow the rules for what? You have to follow the rules for what? Identifier, not for messages. In message, whatever I want, I can type. I can write a hash, @ exclamation, whatever I want, I can write. Guys, in online, are you clear? Online guys, are you clear with this?
Yes.
Okay, done. Okay, this is the close of main method. Okay, anyhow, we are in the first program only, so better to write clearly. You can see the curly brace opened, curly brace closed. Okay, this is a curly brace started, curly brace ended. Okay, na? This is main method, curly brace started, ended. This is my code. I typed the code. Where? In Notepad. What should I do next? I have to save it. We'll go to save. I want to save in D drive or a desktop. Then I don't want to keep in desktop. I have only C drive. In C drive only I want to save it. In C drive, I want to create a folder. One folder I am creating something called core Java. One folder I am creating. Inside the folder core Java. First, I need to change the file type. Do remember everyone? First, save as type is there, na? Select what? All files. Then enter the file name. File name hello world.java. Then save it. Okay. Tell me, guys. Open Notepad. Enter the Java code. Can you tell me what is the Java code that I need to enter? Can you tell me what is the Java code I need to enter? Class. Tell me class followed by
Name, class name.
class name, na? Okay. What's the class name?
Hello
Hello
world.
world. Okay, I can
Open.
copy paste also, but still better to recap once again.
Publish.
Tell me public, static, void, main,
String.
string, array,
Aux.
args,
Open, close.
open the curly brace. Tell me.
System data.
S capital, na? System dot out dot println.
Hello world.
Hello world. Whatever you want, you can type. It's a message, right? It's a message. Whatever you want, you can type. Close this and close this class. After entering the code, guys, tell me what the third step.
Save the
Save the file with name
dot
hello world dot
Java.
Java. But do remember, when you are saving, first change the type to all files. That is important. Otherwise, you will get your program will not get compiled. First change the type as what? All files. Okay, then save the file name with extension what? Hello world dot Java. Okay, okay, I saved. Or the next step now, fourth step. Okay, in D drive or E drive, wherever you want, you save it. Save the file with name hello world dot Java in D drive or anywhere. Okay, any drive, in any drive or folder. Your choice, in D drive or folder, anywhere. Now what's the fourth step? You have to compile now. Yes.
Open the command prompt.
First I need to open command prompt. Yeah, I'm in command prompt only.
Go to the Java folder.
Only. But tell me, where is my Java program saved? C drive. In C drive, one folder is there with me. Core Java. There my program is there. But where is my cursor now? In C drive, under C drive, there is a users folder. Under that, there is a folder called hi. But where is my Java file? In C drive, core Java folder. What should I do now? First of all, I have to change the cursor. First, change the cursor to C drive. Okay, change the cursor to C drive. CD slash CD slash or CD dot dot. CD dot dot means only one folder you can go back. Go back one folder. Tell me where you are going. C drive users means you came out of high folder. How to come out of users folder? CD
dot dot.
Dot dot. Tell me where are you now? In C drive. Where you have to go now? CD core Java. CD space core Java. You are in CD core Java now? Yes. Then what should I type? Java C hello world dot Java. Compile. What file is created? Dot class file is created. dir directory. Tell me, this is the file I have created. After compiling, what file is created? Dot class file is created na? Yes. Who is creating this dot class file? Who is compiling my Java program? Java C. It is a tool. It is a tool given by JDK. Got my point? Yes. Tell me. First step is what? Open what? Command prompt. Guys. Fifth step is what? Go to the location or folder, whatever it is we can say, or go to the location where your Java program is saved. How to go? Use commands cd or cd ... to come back. These commands how to use. Tell me, after going there, what's the next step? What is the sixth step? Compile the program. How to compile now after going there?
Java C.
Java C space
Class
hello
file.
world dot Java.
Java.
Then tell me here. Note. Java C is a tool or application which compiles Java program and creates
Dot class.
what file? Dot class file. Do you guys got clarity here? Right. Seventh step is what? Obviously,
It's created the dot
execute
class.
the program.
Hmm.
How to execute the program now? Simply Java space. What is the class name? Hello world. Don't type dot class or dot Java. Just Java space class name. What's the class name? Hello world. Java space hello world. You got output now? What output you are getting? Hello world. The first program is clear. Tell me what file I created. What file I have created?
Java.
I want to give a diagram to you now. Try to understand. Tell me what is the Java program that I have created. What is a Java program that I have created? Can you tell me?
Hello world.
Hello world.java is what I created, na? Hey guys, you are getting my point? Guys, are you clear?
Yes.
Yes. What is the program I created? Hello world.java is what I created. There is a person here. There is a person here. And there is a file here. My question is, can you fill up the blanks? Can you fill up the blanks? Online guys, can you fill up the blanks?
Compiler. After that, hello world dot class.
Exactly. Exactly. Thank you. Java C is the person. Means compiler. Tell me what file it created for me.
Dot
Hello world dot class. Hello world dot class is a file it has created for me. Okay, everyone understand this. It took my Java program, compiled it, generated what file? Dot class file. Then I'm executing now. What I'm doing next? Executing with Java command na. Java space class name. Java is a tool, right? Java C is a tool. Java is also a tool. That tool is for executing na. Right. Observe here. I'll tell you. This person name is, what is this person name? Java. Very good. Guys, this person name is what? Java. Java is a person name. This person will load my program into this box. I think this box is enough. This box is called JVM. What is that? JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Hey, you people getting my point? JVM, Java Virtual Machine, is a box. Inside this box, there is a guy. Today you may not understand, but tomorrow again I'll explain. I mean, may not in the sense diagram, at least I'm completing today. Tomorrow I'll explain this. Okay. Inside this, there is a guy called. Inside this, there is a guy called. What's the guy name? Class loader is a person available here. Inside this, he is sitting. Class loader is a person who will sit inside. This guy. Now, this diagram is for you. It's a very important diagram actually. Sorry. Actually, this is very important diagram, guys. This guy called class loader. Just a minute. Right. Now, this guy class loader will next send some instruction or something to the next person. That next person name is called. Okay. Yeah. That next person name is called. This next person name is called bytecode verifier. This is very important diagram for you for today to at least understand. There is a person called what? Bytecode verifier. This bytecode verifier will next give it to the two more people. In one box, two more people called. Everybody in online, if possible, you also, if possible, try to draw this diagram into your notebook. Later, anyhow, you will get, but still, it's better to draw it now. There are two more people called. Everyone, please try to draw this diagram into your notes, at least for your reference. These are all important for interview. Now, this guy is called interpreter. This guy is called interpreter. The next guy, everyone in online, please try to note it. This diagram, please try to note it by everyone. There is one more person called JIT. I'll let separately. JIT stands for just in time compiler. This is JIT compiler, just in time compiler. I'll tell you what the importance of just in time compiler and all. So tomorrow session becomes very, very important for everyone, guys. Just I'm giving diagram today. Please draw the diagram for today, and tomorrow I will tell you more. Okay. Guys, tomorrow I'll explain about this diagram. For today, you have to draw this diagram. Online people, try to draw this diagram. I think it's clearly visible to you, right? Guys in online, is it clear? Just tell me yes or no. Is it visible clearly for you?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay then.
Sir, I have one doubt. Like,
Yeah.
where will be JRE?
JVM. JVM is a part of JRE, Java Runtime Environment only.
Okay.
Okay,
This all
JVM is
this class
these are all
loader.
this JVM and all everything comes in JRE only. JVM is entirely an integral part of JRE.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. No, I will paste it in. It won't come into Notepad. It will come into MS Word. No, this is different software. Excalibur, it's different software. Okay, right, everyone? Good. Good. Whatever the notes I'm typing actually in this Notepad, these all I will move into MS Word document. Okay, later on what I will do is I will make this picture to be visible in that MS Word document. But as of now, for our discussion, you write this diagram into your notes now. Okay, right? This is what happened finally. We got output, okay, but this is what happened. I will talk about who is this class loader, who is this bytecode verifier, and who is this interpreter, who is this JIT compiler. JIT stands for just in time. If anybody want to write full name of JIT, you can write JIT. Stands for just in time. Just in time. Just in time. That's what JIT, JIT. Okay. Nice. Cool. JIT stands for just in time. Are you clear now? Right. So for today, just have this diagram. We'll discuss more on this tomorrow. Okay. Right. Guys, online guys, do you have any questions to me? Let's wind up the session. I need to leave now. Yeah. Are you clear or do you have any questions to me? Please, if you have any questions, please ask me now.